Hi guys, Dongos here, and this is the old RT-AC68U Wi-Fi router from Asus. It's old because it came out last year, but still is one of the top-notch devices on the market. So the question is, how do you top something is already top-notch? Well, two things. First, you get Dongo to talk about it. Check. And number two, make something that's a lot better. And I think Asus did just that with its all new RT-AC68U router right here. So let's see how much better this one is. But before, I think you should go and read my review on the other one. Otherwise, you know no difference. Also, it's good for my page view, so go do it. Now, this is a high-end true dual-band 802.11 AC, or AC for short, Wi-Fi router. And that means it supports all existing Wi-Fi clients on the market, be it your laptop, your smartphone, or your tablet, regardless of their Wi-Fi standard. What is new is when you use this router with the old existing 802.11n client on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, you can have the speed up to 600 megabits per second. That up from 450 megabits per second of the old standard. And there are more to like about this router. First of all, it's very solid and well built and looks pretty good. It comes in a new kind of stand-up design here and have a smaller footprint, even though it is actually larger and a little bit heavier than the older model. And now it comes with 3 detachable antennas right here. On the front here, you see the usual array of the status light. Now they are very helpful, but in case you are bothered by them, you can actually turn them off via the button on the back right here. And now you can do whatever you want to do in that dark room of yours. Also on the back, the router has 2 USB ports, and one of them actually is USB 3.0. That's one WAN port and 4 LAN port. All of them are gigabit. Did I say one WAN port? Well, actually I lied. This is also the first I've seen that actually can turn one of its LAN port into a secondary WAN port. And that means the router here can actually connect to 2 separate Ethernet sources at a time, such as fiber optics and cable. And in that case, you can have very fast Ethernet speed to balance the load, or for fail-safe in case one of the source is disconnected. Now, most of us don't really need that, but for those who really want to be absolutely online all the time, that is a great feature. Now, the router has a very good web interface with a lot of features found in previous models, such as a very cool network maps here, QoS, a built-in VPN server, IPv6 support, up to 6 guest Wi-Fi networks, and a set of network tools right here designed for advanced and business users. Most importantly, the router also excelled in my testing, offering up to 65 megabytes per second of sustained real-world speed. Now that's about 8 times the speed of a regular Ethernet connection via network cable. Very impressive indeed. Now the question is, how much does it cost? Well, $220. If you find that expensive, it is. But the good news is you do not need one like this for your home. But if you can afford it, I think you'll love it. For more on the router here, check out my full review at .com. You should do that because again, it helps with my page view. But most importantly, you can find out how I just top the top notch. Well, that's because I'm Dongo, and this has been the first look at the RT-68U Wi-Fi router from Asus. Top that.